All right, hello, my friend, and welcome back to Rowserworld, and we're going to be doing some more three-quarter view pictures. So we already have our model here, and what I did was I took the time to outline all the features of the outside of the face so we can learn how to do that three-quarter profile, and then from there we'll go ahead and put our features in and all that good stuff. Okay, so we're going to take our pencil and we're going to draw these shapes. So for her forehead here, I'm seeing here that she has a kind of sunken back forehead, so her forehead kind of travels at a backwards angle. So I'm just going to take my pencil and then I'm going to just go ahead and draw that line in a thin kind of a way. Then I'm going to draw the top of her brow line. This is going to be her brow line, and then this is going to be like a little brow right here. Okay, then we're going to come over here and we're going to do our cheek shape, something like this. Okay, and then we're going to come down and over. We're going to draw a chin shape, and then we're going to go into this back shape here, which is going to kind of lead us into our ear shape. Okay, now once we have these shapes, so remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes so far, then we'll go to our ear shape. Okay, and then I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and go with this shape going around. So we'll go ahead and go 1, 2, and then this shape will kind of go back like this. And then we'll just start putting our shapes up top here, like so. Okay. I like to draw my three-quarter view shapes as actual shapes instead of drawing them as lines for practice, because this makes you learn to be able to do this easier. Also, this is also about scenarios, so you'll understand that when you see this type of face in another situation, you'll understand what you want to do. Three-quarter views sometimes are a little difficult for some artists to get down, especially if you haven't really gave it a lot of practice. So you got to practice this angle, but it does help you to do more dynamic caricature when you do it this way. Oh my God, that neck is too big. I had to skinny the neck out, so let's just make it back here like that, so it'll be a little funnier. All right, you don't want to make the neck as the same size it is on the picture, right? And then from here, we'll just kind of draw a back angle and come back up to our neck and then put some shoulders here. Okay, now let's go ahead and go into our shapes here. So we're going to go to our brow line. This is my brow line shape. So I'm going to come from the top of this brow line and I'm going to kind of wrap around like this. So my brow line on my eyebrows kind of attached to this shape here. Okay, now I'm going to go over here to this and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to attach it in my mind to this brow line that's coming straight across. Now once I get to the nose, I'm going to do the nose shape like this. So I'm just going to kind of go here, and then I'm going to go straight down from here, and I'm going to go down and up, and then I'm going to go here with her nose shape like this. Okay, that is the bottom of the nose there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do our mouth shape here. So we're going to kind of just come down here, down, and then we're just going to wrap around and come up here and make our little smile line. Put some lips here, some lips here. Okay, and now let's go ahead and put our eyes. So for the eyes, I'll just do 2 shapes like this. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then we got this shape over here, and this is going to go just like so here, and then they'll come back here and do like this, and this one will come back here and do this. Okay, and let's put those eyes in there. Don't forget to add a little bit of lighting there, and pretty much, man, that one came out real quick. We'll just add a couple of freckles, right? and some eyelashes here. All right. So that is this 3/4 view. I think it came out really awesome. All right. All we had to do was follow that line. Again, if you are confused about this line, when I draw it like this at practice, so that when I get to a live event, I can create all types of stuff or profile lines very easily. Okay. All right. So that's how you draw the 3/4 view caricature. I hope that you learned a lot from our video tutorial today. I'll be posting up more draw along videos soon where you can learn how to draw caricature. Okay. Also, if you want to take a class with us, don't forget to go to Rowserworld.com/classes, where I do one-on-one caricature classes to teach you more about caricature. If this is a job field that you'd like to go into, or maybe you just want to do it as a hobby, check us out and we'll get you going in the right direction. Again, thanks for watching. Have a blessed and awesome evening, and I'll see you guys next time.